everybody, it's Holly.
And Julia.
Can you see her there? It's Saturday. I think it's around March 28th. And we're outside on it's a little bit of snow right now. We decided that we would come hang out by the water and we could go on a nature walk together. So we're gonna come look for some cool stuff outside by the water. We've been listening for birds and ducks because every day I walk around and there's ducks out here and they're starting to nest. Anyway, it's a typical spring day. It looks like there's snow falling, and look up above. The sun's trying to come out also. Again, anything goes. 15 minutes, it'll be something new. Typical spring day in Colorado. So, we're over here by the water. What kinds of things do you notice out here? Well, what are signs of spring, Julia, that you see? What do you see?
Snow melting.
Snow melting.
Water
The snow
peeking
is
out.
melting. And the water's running right here because of the snow melt. And it's like a little river, like a mini river. And there are things that are ready to come out, like bugs and birds, fishies, maybe even little fishies or crawdads. What else do you think we'd find out here, Julia?
Grass.
Grass. We're ready for the cattails to start growing and the grass to start growing and things to start happening. Oh my gosh, spring is coming. Even though it's snowing today, it's going to be here really soon. So I brought me a fishing net. You see my new net? I want to catch a big one, a really big one. Julia, what do you have?
I have a bag for our treasures that we find.
What kind of treasures can we find outside? What should we tell the kids to look for, Julia?
Maybe some cool rocks.
Rocks? Big rocks? Little rocks?
Any size.
Any size. What else could we find to put in our bag?
We could find maybe little pieces of grass we find cool.
Ooh.
Like one in a shape.
Ooh, that'd be fun. Find some grass, maybe last year's grass, and maybe some new grass that you see down on the ground that's green, like buds, little sprouts, right? What about old toys and cars and Matchbox cars? Can we find those from last year?
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe we'll find a baseball hat. I don't know. But anyway, I see a lot of interesting things out here. I don't really see many rocks. Do you, Jules? No? I see cattails. And I see lots of marshy kind of things, like mud, and dirt. And then I brought something over that was fascinating. Maybe I'll put this in my little bag. This is a piece of moss that I found. Look at it. It's all green. Look at the little spores that are popping up off of it. You see it? Isn't it cool? It's like a little piece of velvet carpet. And it's alive. It's got its whole little system under here with the mud. And it's alive. Isn't that amazing? Piece of moss. So as we find things, I'm not going to put it in the bag because I want the moss to live. So maybe you can find some things outside and go on a nature walk yourself and find some rocks and some sticks, some mud, maybe some shells. What else? Maybe some toys from last year too. So keep your eyes open when you're going for walks with your mommies and your daddies and find things that make you happy, and maybe you can bring it back home and make something with it, like a little village or a little house or an artwork. And there are lots of great things that you can find outside, even fishies. But don't take the fishies. You always release them back into the water. Right, Julia? Right. Okay. So have fun going on your nature walk. We'll talk to you soon. Love you. Bye, starfish.